Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Now today, children, we'll start with block 22, parallels and meridians, S3, local times and standard time. Now so we'll study about local time and the standard time. This is page 32. Work S3, local time and standard time. Now we have to identify local time and standard time and the need for standard time. So we need one standard time, means one fixed time we need, right? Now we know in India after 12 hours daytime and the night time, everything. Okay, that is 24 hours. Now here, children, previously we have learnt about longitude, okay, lines, meridians, and how to see. Here, from 0 degree we have to see 0 degree, 30 degrees east, 60 degree east and 90 degree east, that is other country, prime meridian. Again from 0, 30 degree west, 60 degree west and 90 degree west. Okay, this is international data line and this is prime meridian. Okay, from north to south. So from this only we can identify the time. Okay, how we will come to know when is afternoon. So those time, children, they used to see the sunrise and sunset. With that imagination, they used to just imagination with that, by seeing the sun and sunset and sunrise, they used to think. There was no proper time for that. Now so now you understood. Now I'll read one story. Right. Yes. I will from reader, take out your reader, 138, page number 138. Open your reader, page number 138. You can see this map. You can see this red line, children. Okay, in this you can see the London, Paris, all so many places are there. Okay, now in 1884 the meridian running through Greenwich Park in London was recognized as the prime meridian for a uniform time reference. Yes, even time should be uniform, no, children, otherwise it is difficult. Now, longitude and time. I'll explain you this. Longitude help us to know the time of a place. In which place, which time. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, 24 hours, you know the timings, no, children. That is, suppose if your school starts from 8:30, okay, ends with 3. Again, next day morning, you will come at 8:30. That is what? 8 and 8, 24 hours it will become, okay. If it is night, it will become 12. So here, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. This means that a place covers a difference of 360 degree of longitude in 24 hours. In other words, the earth covers a distance of 1 degree every 4 minutes. You will see this time, children. I'll show you my watch. You can see this, my watch. You can see one dot. 5 minutes. This is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, 5. Means 5 minutes. Did you see this? That means 1 degree here. So like that way, every 4 minutes. Okay. Now you understood that is 5 minutes, then 10, 15, 20, 25, like that. Local time. All meridians directly face the sun once each day. Once each day means today morning, then tomorrow morning. That is the midday of that place, or noon, 12 noon. When the time of a place is calculated by its noon time, it is known as local time. This is local time. The local time of each place varies with its longitude. Means it depends on the longitude. Now here, Greenwich means time, GMT. The time of the prime meridian is used as a base to calculate the time for different countries on the basis of their longitude. On the basis of the longitude only, prime meridian, through prime meridian, we can calculate the timing. Now standard time. A country generally follows the local time, right, of the longitude that passes through its center. It passes through its center. This is the standard time for the entire country. For whole country will follow. Whole country means suppose India. In India, in every state will be timing here and there, somewhere 5 minutes, like that way. But the timing will be same. But whereas other countries, international countries, abroad, the timing will be different. Somewhere it will be different, somewhere timings may vary, sometimes 2 hours back or 2 hours more, like that way. Now Indian Standard Time, 82.5 degree east. India has recognized the local time of 82.5 degree east. Now here, this is Indian Standard Time, IST we will say. So Eastern Time, we'll go for Eastern. As the Indian Standard Time, it is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT, means Greenwich Time. This line is known as the Indian Standard Meridian. Okay? Right. Now open your workbook, page 32, S3, local time and standard time. Now first one, I'll read the story. Read the story and answer the question. Surya is very excited today. He will be able to chat with his friend Asma through the internet. Asma lives in Itanagar. She lives in Itanagar. Now Arunachal Pradesh, while Surya lives in Gujarat. Now Surya, he lives in Gujarat, and Asma, she lives in Arunachal Pradesh, where it is Itanagar. They have been pen friends since the past 3 years. Past 3 years they were pen friends. Pen friends, they used to give pen and they'll become a friend and write letter to each other. Not like nowadays. So nowadays everything you are sending messages, voice, mail, all those things, and you can talk with in your phone also. But this before that it was like this. Now, Surya switched on his computer at 7 p.m. He wanted for Asma till 9 p.m. but she did not come online. You know now online. The next day he received a mail for Asma saying that she had waited for Surya for an hour. She was waiting for 1 hour and asked why he did not come online. Yes, she was waiting for 1 hour, and she was asking that why you didn't come. Surya wrote back that he too had waited for her. Now see, both has waited for each other. He asked at what time she had come online. At what time? Mostly you will be asking your friends, no? Asma replied, before sunset. Now she didn't see the time, but she has seen the sunset. Before sunset, she said. Surya asked, at what time? Asma replied, we follow the movement of the sun. That means she will just see the movement of the sun and here and not the clock. That means she will not see the clock, she will just see the movement of the sun. It is dark by 6 p.m. By 6 p.m. it will become dark. So we have to finish all our work before that. Now, Surya could not understand this. Naturally, he will not understand. That is, if she doesn't see the time, how he will come to know exact time? The sun was clearly visible till 6 p.m. where he lived. Now, where he lived, the sun was very clear. He told his mother about Asma's mail. Surya's mother understood what had happened and told Surya about the local time difference. Now she understood what has happened and she explained. She explained each place receives sunlight. Each place sunlight receives of different time. In different time it's sunlight. Now based on its longitude, since Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost state and Gujarat is the westernmost state. See the difference between east and the west, quite different. We have a time difference of about 2 hours. Surya asked, so what should I do now? Mother smiled. Tell her to come online at 6 p.m. by the clock and not by the position of the sun. That means she has to see the watch. She has to see the clock and exactly with that time she has to come, 6 o'clock. Surya had another question. Won't her clock show different time? Yes, that's correct what he asked. Then mine, yes, there will be difference between two, no? The timing will be showing different. Mother said, no, to avoid confusion, countries follow a standard time over the country. Yes, to avoid the confusion, each country has got, they will follow the standard time. So her clock will show the same time as yours. Happy again. Surya rushed to his room to write on email to Asma to fix a standard time for the meeting. Now, 1 minute. That is what, children. There is a local time difference about 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Now Surya's mother advised them to follow the standard time and not the local time. Now they wanted to follow standard time, not the local time, which I am explaining you, children. The local time of each place varies with its longitude. Means it differs. We can follow the local time of our place, but this can cause problem when we have to communicate with people living at different longitude. Therefore, to avoid confusion, people within a country follow one standard time, means one standard time only. Now, people need to keep them information about the time at each place within the country. Now, children, like that way, see the question and answers. A. Why were Surya and Asma not able to meet online in the evening? Surya and Asma, please write with pencil, children. You see your wish. Surya and Asma could not meet at the evening time because at the local time difference in their place. B. What is the difference between the local time of Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat? There is a what? There is a difference of about how many hours? 2 hours in the local time between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. If you don't have place, you can write like this. C. In which state does the sun rises and sets first? Arunachal Pradesh or Gujarat? Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. First it sun rises in Arunachal Pradesh. C. In which state does the sun rises and sets? Arunachal Pradesh. Here. Arunachal Pradesh. D. What is standard time? A standard time is followed all over the country. Means everyone will follow same to avoid confusion related to the local time. E. Do you think that Surya and Asma will be able to meet online after Surya's mother's suggestion? Why? Yes, comma. Surya and Asma will able to meet after Surya's mother suggestion. This is because now they will follow the standard time, which is same in both the places. Now it will be same in the both the places. Now you understood about local time and the standard time. That is fixed time. One time I am showing you, children. Write neatly. Okay.